At some point, if you're a demand gen or digital marketer and you've had to create website forms, you almost certainly had debates about which fields of information to ask for and which fields you make mandatory in order for the user to submit the form. These simple questions have undoubtedly led to countless hours of heated arguments and lost productivity across thousands of companies. And why do such seemingly innocuous decisions end up becoming powder keg debates? Well, the more fields of information you require on a form, the lower your conversion rates are going to be. And from a marketer's perspective, that means you're squandering tons of energy and resources, website and content development, SEO efforts, digital ad spend, and getting someone all the way to a form on your website and then having them abandon you. It's like marching the football down to the 1-yard line and then fumbling the ball. But your salespeople will be quick to point out that the fewer fields of information you collect, the less information they have to work with, making it exceedingly difficult to make smart decisions about which people to call on, how to score and assign leads, and to have the necessary information to even make contact. They might equate it to the marketing team claiming that they've scored that touchdown, but not really getting any points on the scoreboard for those efforts. With FormComplete, you can have your marketing cake and eat your sales cake too. Here's how it works. When prospects provide their email on a form, it's immediately verified by ZoomInfo. Assuming we have an email match for the email address, we can then do one of two things. One, auto-populate the fields on the form for the site visitor to see and verify. Or two, simply pass through whichever fields of information you'd like us to push through on the back end without even altering the site visitor experience whatsoever. And what's more, you can set up the form to be dynamic. For example, let's say you deem contact phone number and company employee count range to be critical fields of information you need your sales team to have. You can set up the form so that if ZoomInfo has the information, the field populates automatically. But if we don't have that particular field of information, we serve it up to the site visitor and make it mandatory to submit the form. What does all of this mean to you? It means you can have fewer required fields on your form and improve your conversion rates, but the leads that flow through to your CRM and marketing automation tools are immediately infused with more data, allowing for accurate scoring and routing and arming sales reps with more critical data to help them build pipeline and ultimately close more deals. As an added bonus, as long as the site visitor submitted their email address, FormComplete will capture the data that was filled in, even if the prospect didn't click submit, and we'll make that information available to you. It's yet another way you can improve your go-to-market operation by bringing the world's best B2B database together with innovative software.